Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at some random past questions from different topics. Alright, now the first set of questions says we should solve the following equations. Now in solving these following equations, we have question 1, we have 2x minus 12, okay, 3 raised by x plus 27 equals 0. Now, to solve this, we'll first of all try to make this, put this into an equation where we'll say, let 3x, 3 raised by x equals y. Okay, if 3 raised by x equals y, this becomes y squared minus 12y plus 27 equals 0. Okay, so we can now factorize this out. Factorizing this out, we have this as plus 27y squared. Our factors will be minus 9y minus 3y. Okay, so minus 9 times minus 3 gives us plus 27. Minus 9 minus 3 gives us minus 12. So this we have as y squared minus 9y minus 3y plus 27 equals 0. So this gives us, factorizing this and this, what's coming here is y minus 9 minus 3 brackets y minus 9 equals 0. So from here, we can now say that y minus 9 equals 0. So therefore, y equals 9. And y minus 3 equals 0. So therefore, y equals 3. Now, back to this equation here, where we have 3x raised by x equals y. So when y is 9, this becomes, when y equals 9, this becomes 3 raised by x equals 9, which gives us 3 raised by x equals 3 raised by 3. Sorry, 3 raised by 2. Alright, so equating bases, this cancels this, x equals 2. Alright, now for the other one, when y equals 3, this becomes 3 raised to x equals 3, which gives us 3 raised to x equals 3 raised to 1. So therefore, x equals 1. So the value of our x would be 1 and 2. Alright, so our next question, it says we have 2 raised to 2x plus 2 plus 8 equal, 2 raised to 2x plus 1 minus 32 raised to bracket 2 raised to x plus 16 equals 0. Alright, so here we have it as let 2 raised to x equals y. So this becomes, expanding this, we have this as 2 raised to 2x times 2 raised to 1, okay, that will give us 2 minus 32 raised to 2x plus 16 equals 0. Okay, so this we have as, this will be y squared times 2 minus 32y plus 16 equals 0. Okay, so this gives us 2y squared minus 32y plus 16 equals 0. So we can now divide through by 2. Okay, we can divide through by 2 to have it as y squared minus 16y plus 16 plus 8 equals 0. Now using our quadratic formula, y equals minus b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Alright, so this becomes y equals, a here is 1, B is minus 16, and C is 8. Okay, now substituting that here, we have it as minus 16 plus minus root 16 squared minus 4 times 1 times 8 all over 2 times 1. So y equals 16 plus minus 256 minus 8 times 4, 32 all over 2. Okay, so y equals this minus this gives us 16 plus minus root 224 over 2. Okay, so this y would be 16 plus root 224 over 2, or 16 minus root 224 over 2. All right, now if we do our root 224, we are having it as y equals 16 plus 14, 4 root 14, 4 root 14 over 2, or 16 minus 4 root 14 over 2. So if we factorize this, this becomes y equals 2 brackets 8 plus or minus root 2 root 14 over 2. So this cancels out. So y equals 8 plus or minus 2 root 14. Okay, now back to this where 2x equals y. So this becomes 2x equals 8 plus or minus 2 root 14. But remember that if we have a raised to power x equals y, then log a ay equals x. Okay, so here this becomes, so in applying this here, this becomes log 2 8 plus minus 2 root 14 equals x. Okay, so the value of our x will be log 2 8 plus or minus 2 root 14. Okay, now that's for the second question. Okay, to the third question, we have it as 2 raised to power 2x plus 2 plus 8 equals 33 brackets 2 raised to power x. Still same way, we have let 2 raised to power x equals y. Okay, so here expanding this, we have it as 2 raised to power 2x plus 2 raised to power 2 plus 8 equals 33 brackets 2 raised to power x. So 2 raised to power x is y. So this gives us y squared times 4 plus 8 equals 33 y. Okay, so this becomes 4y squared plus 8 minus 33y equals 0. Turning it into a full equation, we have it as 4y squared minus 33y plus 8 equals 0. Okay, so from here, we solve using a quadratic equation. Okay, applying a quadratic formula here, we have it as y equals plus minus root, y equals b minus b plus or minus root 4b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, now in this case, a is 4, b is minus 33, and c is plus 8. Okay, Here we have it as y equals minus 33 minus 33 plus or minus 33 squared minus 4 times 8 all over 2 times 4. Okay, so y equals minus 33, plus or minus root 33 squared gives us 1089 minus 4 times 4 16 times 4 128 all over 8. Okay, so y equals 33 plus or minus root 961. Okay, so all over 8. So y equals 33 plus or minus 31 over 8. So this becomes y equals 33 plus 31 over 8, or 33 minus 31 over 8. So y gives us what? 64 over 8, or 2 over 8. So this would be y equals 8 or 1 over 4. Now, back into this equation, where we say let y be 2x. So when y equals 8, 2 raised power x equals 8. So this becomes 2 raised power x equals 2 raised power 3. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times, okay, 4 times 2, 3. So x equals, equating basis, x equals 3. Okay, and when y equals 1 over 4, this becomes 2 raised power x equals 1 over 4. Alright, inverse of this becomes 2 raised power x equals 2 raised power minus 2. So x equals minus 2. So the value of x here will be minus 3, will be 3 or minus 2. And to the fourth question, where we have 8 raised power x equals 0.25. Okay, if we convert 0.25 to fractions, it gives us 25 over 100, and when broken down 1 over 4. So here we can replace here to be 8 raised to x equals 1 over 4, and we know 1 over 4 is something as 2 raised to minus 2. So this becomes 8 raised to x equals 2 raised to minus 2, and 8 is 2 raised to 3. So this becomes 2 raised to 3 times x equals 2 raised to minus 2. So equating basis, 2 cancel 2, leaving us with 3x equals minus 2. So therefore, x equals minus 2 over 3. So the value of x will be minus 2 over 3. Alright guys, if you've been with us up to this moment and you've enjoyed our studies, don't forget to like, subscribe, click on your notification buttons for more updates. All right, and share this link with your friends. All right, so our next set of questions, it says, find the area of a triangle with sides A 16, B 14, and C 12 centimeters. Now, for us to find the area of this triangle, we'll be using the formula A, area equals root S bracket S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay, so for us to find S would be A plus B plus C divided by 2. So this gives us our S would be 16 plus 14 plus 12 over 2, which gives us 42 over 2, which is 21. So this becomes area equals root 21 bracket 21 minus 16, 21 minus 14, and 21 minus 12. So this gives us A equals root 21 times 5 times 7 and times 9. Okay, our area would give us root 6615, which one we find becomes 21 root 15 centimeter square as our area. Okay, now our next question says evaluate log 18 plus log 6 minus log 16 raised to the power half. Now we know that anything raised to the power half is the root. So this we can have as log 18 plus log 6 minus log root 16, which is 4. So here, this becomes multiplication, addition turns to multiplication, log 18 times 6 divided by 4. Okay, so this gives us log 18 times 6 gives us 108 divided by 4. Okay, so this gives us log 27, which we can rewrite as log 3 raised to the power 3, which will be 3 log 3 as our answer. Okay, next one, it says find the mean deviation of the set of data. In order to find the mean deviation, we will first of all find the mean of the data, subtract from each and every of these data, and divide our summation. So let's go. We have our mean equals 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 11 plus 13 all over 5. So this gives us 10, 22, 30, 40, 50, 56, 57, 60. Okay, 60 over 5, which gives us 12. That's what I mean. So 10 minus 12 equals 2. 12 minus 12 equals 0. 14 minus 12 equals 2. 11 minus 12 equals 1. And 13 minus 12 equals 1. So this gives us 6. So our mean deviation equals 6 over 5, which gives us 1.2. That will be our mean deviation. All right, and to the fourth question, it says evaluate 23 times 54 mod 7. Okay, we have 23 times 54 mod 7. Now, there are two ways to do this. We can multiply all through, we can multiply together and find out mod 7, or we can do individually and still get our answer right. Now, for this, I will do individually to ease my work. Now, 23 mod 7 will give me 3 times 7 is 21 plus 2. All right, mod 7. So my answer will be 2 mod 7. All right, now let's look at 54 mod 7. All right, this will give me 7 times 7, 49. 7 times 7, 49 plus 5 will give me 54 mod 7. So my answer here will be 5 mod 7. Now bring these two answers together. That will be 2 times 5 mod 7. Okay, 2 times 5 gives us 10 mod 7. And from 10, we have it as 1 times 7 plus 3. Okay, mod 7. So we're interested in this. Remember, this gives us 3 mod 7 as our answer. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed our lecture so far. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this link with your friends. If there be any question, put them down in the comment section below.